Hello all. Let us see perfect progressive tense or perfect continuous tense. It describes actions that repeated over a period of time in the past, are continuing in the present, and or will continue in the future. So in the perfect progressive tense, we have the present perfect progressive tense, the past perfect progressive tense, and the future perfect progressive tense. The present perfect progressive tense tells you about a continuous action that was initiated in the past and finished at some point in the past. For example, it has been raining and the street is still wet. The past perfect progressive tense illustrates a continuous action in the past that was completed before another past action. For example, it had been raining and the street was still wet. It means the raining is stopped, but the street was wet. The future perfect progressive tense indicates a continuous action that will be completed in the future. Please go through the examples and exercise the quiz. Thank you.